All right. Hello, everyone. I am Alicia Henley with AV Network, and today we are talking with Michael from Vanguard LED Displays. And we're just going to hop right into it, Michael. So let's talk about what sets Vanguard apart from the competition.
What sets Vanguard apart from the competition is our stellar service. Our role is to act as a partner to our customer, who in turn has a customer, the end user. We then work together to make sure that the end user is totally satisfied with the LED installation.
Perfect. And I mean, Vanguard has won many awards. Why is that, and for what products specifically?
Vanguard has always taken the position that to compete effectively with many, many Chinese factories, we have to be the company that's on the leading edge of products. We have to give our customers a reason to buy. Over the past few years, we've introduced our Axion fine pitch displays, which by fine pitch, I define that as P1.5, 1.875, P2.5. We've then gone ahead and introduced our very, very fine pixel pitch screen, our Axion Invictus. Now that is what we refer to as ChipFlip. This is a completely new technology which has a very low failure rate and has enabled us to get to pixel pitches such as 125, P0.9, and an amazing P0.7.
How is your approach to sourcing product different from your competition in these weird, interesting times in our industry?
Every single one of our competitors is the factory. Our approach has been one of selecting the best OEM factory in each sector of the market. By us selecting individual factories who specialize only in that particular product makes quality control very attainable.
Gotcha. And you maintain that Vanguard is the leading company in LED video displays in our entire industry. So can you give us some examples of these leading edge products?
In 2013, Vanguard introduced the 16:9 native aspect ratio cabinet. Video was shot in 16:9. So if you have a square screen, there's going to be a need to manipulate that image to make it fit. With a 16:9 native aspect ratio cabinet, no need to scale the image. The shot you take is the shot you see.
Correct.
In 2019, we invented an LED dome where the videos are on in the interior of the dome. Excellent, again, for simulation. Nobody's ever done that before. We are very unique with that. We have developed now that we're going to release at ITSEC, which is an LED display that's a cylinder. Again, nobody has produced an LED cylinder. People in projection, again, are using projectors, and there's a lot of issues with projectors, particularly when we can give them a contiguous image and not have to worry about the crossover on projectors. We are the first company in the world to offer ChipFlip, the ChipFlip technology, which is our version of chip on board. This technology will reduce the failure rate to 5 parts per million, unheard of. The images are also very deep. The colors are tremendous. And again, this ChipFlip technology also allows us to do is to introduce extremely low pixel pitches of P0.9 and P0.7. We are the only company in the world that has actually delivered a P0.7, actually 2 displays with P0.7.
Well, excellent. And I mean, this is a pretty brief interview. So what are some of the key things or top key things that you want people to take away from this interview?
We are an American company, American-based and American-owned. We share common values of integrity and being forthright. Our core values are stellar service, responsiveness, and timely communication. Customer service is all-encompassing. It is from the inception of an idea where customers need advice to the quote process, to the delivery process where we provide drawings that the customers need, through to commissioning where we supervise the installation and train the staff. And probably most important of all is the after-sales service. We don't leave people hanging. And that's why our business has grown so much. Our customers, our partners know that we have their back at all times.
Absolutely. And before we let you go, where can the people find you, Michael, at Vanguard LED Displays?
VanguardLED.com